Hello everyone, welcome to TechTPLM, a place where you can master programming. Before moving forward to the lesson, I want to remind you that if you like the video lesson, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and enable the bell icon so that you will get notifications when new videos are uploaded. So you will never miss a lesson. I will show a short demonstration about how to subscribe to our channel at the end of this video. Keep watching the lesson. Hello, I'm really excited to invite you or introduce you a new tutorial series for C++ programming. So we will be going slow with this tutorial. Along with that, there is Excel tutorial and HTML tutorial playlist in our channel. Do watch that also. So today we are going to discuss the first tutorial of C++ programming. So if you want to do C++ programming, there are some basic requirements. Requirement number 1, you need to have a computer. Number 2, you need to have a text editor. And number 3, you need to have a compiler. You already know what is a computer is, so I don't need to explain you what is a computer. So text editor means the editor like Notepad to write our code. And compiler is a special utility program in your computer that convert your C++ program into machine readable form. And compiler also checks for errors. We will talk about that in detail after this tutorial, like second video or something like that. Today I'm going to explain you how to download Dave C++. How to download Dave C++. You might be thinking, what is a Dave C++? Dave C++ is an IDE. What is an IDE? IDE is Integrated Development Environment. So an IDE will be having text editor, compiler, an option to write your program, compile your program, run your program. Everything is available inside the IDE. So Dave C++ is a beautiful IDE for C++ development. So let's see how we can download Dave C++. First of all, you need to open a browser like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer or something like that. Then you can go to the website www.google.com, and in the Google you can simply search download Dave C++. So once you search, the first link coming is like sourceforge.net. Sourceforge.net is one of the main repository of Dave C++ program. So you can click this link to go to the sourceforge.net. So here it is. So we are easily reached there. So you can see here Dave C++, a free, portable, fast and simple C++ IDE. So even you can do C programming in Dave C++. So there is a direct download button. I'm going to click this button. So I click the download button. So now you can see your download will start shortly. So it started downloading my Dave C++. So the downloading will take time, depends on how fast is your internet connection. So for example, for me, it's like it shows 2 minutes left. It's faster download. Okay, and this website is not only for the Dave C++, there is other softwares also to download. So this is a big repository. You know what is a repository, right? That means open source programs are published in internet website. Those internet websites are called what? Repository. So download is almost halfway. So here one series halfway, it automatically identifies we downloaded most of the Dave C++, and you can see you can subscribe to their newsletter if you want, like give your email address, the country you reside, and all those things, Mexico or something like that. Then you can give your name, phone number, job title if you want. So then they will give you like latest updates about these products and their services and all those things. Okay, so let it download. Okay, the download is now completed. You can see the dev C++ icon here, dev C++.exe. So I click this direct downloaded file. So now we are going to install this dev C++ in our computer. So sometimes it will show something like this, like to accept the things. Okay, I'm gonna close this browser, minimize it. So you can see, please wait while setup is loading. So the installer will be get verified by them online. And normally the executable files are downloaded as compressed files. So this is getting unpacked now. So now the installer is ready to begin. So first of all, we have to choose our language. If you're English, you can choose English or some other language supported comfortable for you. Then you click OK button. Then it asks, in this is a general public GNU license. Do you agree this or not? So we do agree that one. Then what things you want to download. Let's keep the default, no need to remove anything. Then next. Then it is asking what is the location you want to download the C++. I'm going to download it in the C program files itself. I don't want to change the location. If you want to change the location, please feel free to do that by clicking the browse button. Then I click on the install button. So now the dev C++ version actually 5.11 is getting installed. So you can see the status as it is getting installed. It's a very small IDE, so it will get installed very easily, fastly. It will take maximum 2 or 3 minutes to get installed. So it's not like a big program which will take like half an hour, 1 hour or 1.5 hours to install. It will take a maximum 3 to 4 minutes to get installed. Maybe it will, that also depends on your computer speed. If your computer is very fast and your operating system is fast, it will get installed faster than what we think. Okay, let it finish. I have a very bad cold, bad throat. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so we have already passed around 80% of installation and it is moving fast. You can see, oh my god, it's gonna finish soon. Come on, let's finish it. Almost done, only few things are remaining. Yeah, it's done. So normally sometimes I exit the program after installation without running that, but in the case of dev C++, I want to run this now because first time running you need to do some configuration. Nothing to worry. Once you click finish, it will show like this, dev C++ first time configuration. So it is asking for your language, so you choose the language, give next, and what font you want, what color you want, Twilight. So it's like it will show Ocean, Visual Studio, or Matrix, or Obsidian. So I'm gonna go for what? I'm gonna go for Twilight because I really like this black screen with white letters. We programmers do like black screen because we are the people spending more time with the computer. So if you keep looking on a white screen, it's gonna hurt your eyes. Okay, so icons you can choose like new look or genome type or blue type. So I'll go with new look itself, then click next, then OK. So this is the dev C++ IDE. If you want to make a new program, you can click new source file. It will give you a new source file. Okay, so we are going to write new C++ program. From coming videos next videos onwards. Thank you very much. I think you understand what we have discussed here. Thank you so much. How to subscribe to our channel? Step 1. Click on the channel icon or view channel option to go to the channel page. Step 2. Click on the subscribe button. Step 3. Enable the bell icon to get notified when new lessons are uploaded. Congratulations, you are now subscribed and never going to miss any lesson. Thank you.